Here's a really worn out 944 gear shift lever. So you can see how much play there is on this rod here. That's quite a lot of movement. And if you look at the pin itself, you can see how it's tapered on both sides, kind of like a football. That was originally a straight pin. So I'm going to do a little fix to this. I'm going to set it up so I can use a series of, or a pair of thrust washers, thrust bearings. So thrust bearing is a smooth, shiny washer, a piece that actually has rollers that are facing outward like that. It sits on top of the washer, and then another washer that goes on top. And then this allows it to take a lot of force on the top and still rotate this way. So we're going to have one of these thrust bearings on a bolt on one side of the shift lever, another thrust bearing on the other side, like that. And then we're going to be able to preload it with a nut, and that'll hold it together, which will allow the shift lever to move forward and back easily, very smoothly, but with the preload there's not going to be any rocking action with the shift lever, with the bar. So here it is, the final assembly. The thrust bearings are in place. I've just put a regular nut on the end here, but for the final assembly I'm actually going to use a lock nut, and actually I'm going to use Loctite as well, because that's something you don't want loosening up. But you just tighten it enough just so it's snug, so you still get very smooth rotational movement this way, and then there's absolutely zero play side to side. And this improves the shifting of a 944 immensely, probably better than when it was off of the showroom floor.